Hello from Slovenia again. Today I will do a reverse flower tip again with this 3D printed flower shaped cup from paintpourstore.com. You will find the link into the description box of this video down below. And I will use this Amsterdam Greenish blue, but I added a little bit of King of Paynes from these little piggy pigments. And I have pearl white and I have ruby from Rustoleum metallics, and I have 24 karat gold and Naples yellow deep by Amsterdam. So I will just start with this blue and pearl white. And ruby. Drip. And gold. And Naples yellow. And I think that I will turn my cup just for fun. Okay, I will add my pearl white again, because I don't want to have green here. A little bit doesn't matter, but not enough. Blue again. And again some pearl white. And I'm horrible with my drips today. I will add some black here. Maybe I should wait till the end. And ruby. And gold. Have to be a little careful with this gold, I think. And Naples yellow. And some pearl white again. Blue. And ruby without pearl white or gold. And this Naples yellow last. Okay, now I will spray my, I will draw some lines with my skewer. So let's see. Let's remove this carefully. Okay. I think that I have too much paint. Let's spray my napkin. Put it down. First half, second half, okay, just touch this a little bit. Let's do this. I like it. Just wish that it would be a little more centered. Let's try. Don't know. Should I spin it a little bit? We'll just add some black here on the corners where I miss some. I will just tilt it a little bit because I kind of like it. But have to do something with the composition. I will leave it like it is. Because I like how it goes off the center. I just need to correct this a little bit to match the whole look, or how can I say? I'm good now. Wow, I like it. I like that the blue came through just a little bit, not the whole lot much. And this gold and Naples yellow kind of play well together, and the ruby. And I like these sides. So I will leave it. So let me clean a little bit and take it down for a close-up. So here is a close-up. I'm really happy with it at the end, even though that I had some problems. But I think that it will be gorgeous, and when it will be dry with this gold and the ruby, I think it will be just gorgeous. But no, maybe this is the right orientation. So this was a nice, cute flower for today. Have a nice one and see you on the next one. Bye.